Hello everyone. As many of you already know, hundreds of Lego sets are retiring by end of 2025. In this video, I have picked out 6 awesome sets priced between 20 and 25 US dollars that are totally worth grabbing before they disappear. These sets offer great value, some are already getting hard to find, and I'll be sharing exactly why they are worth owning. Whether you are a collector, a fan, or just looking for a fun build, these are some wonderful sets. So let's get right into it. First up, we have got an absolute legend, the Nissan Skyline GTR from Speed Champions line. The set comes with 319 pieces and is priced at 25 US dollars. This car is iconic. From the detailed design to the blue stripes, rear wing, and interior components, the car is instantly recognizable. The set also comes with one exclusive minifigure of Brian O'Connor, played by late Paul Walker in Fast and Furious. This is a meaningful tribute to the late Paul Walker, and for collectors, this has got strong aftermarket potential. And if you already own Dom's minifigure from the 76912 Dodge Charger set, this will pair beautifully with that. So, this is definitely one to grab before retirement. Next up is the Brickheads Batman 18-1 set that comes with 325 pieces and is priced at 25 US dollars. You can build one version of Batman at a time and you have got 8 options to choose from. 1966 Adam West suit, Michael Keaton's 1989 version, animated series, Dark Knight trilogy, Pattinson's Batman, and more. Each version comes with its own unique printed pieces, and while there are few small design compromises, this is a super fun and rebuildable display set. The set is already out of stock in many regions and is selling for higher prices on the secondary market. So if you find one at a retail price or a little less discount, don't think twice. This is worth picking up. Third, we have got another brickhead set, and this time from Disney. The set includes joy, sadness, and anxiety and comes with 300 pieces at a $20 price point. Anxiety and sadness are bit small, however, you can build all three characters at once, which is great. The builds capture their personalities really well. The use of translucent tiles, expressive eyes, and the hair really stand out. It's colorful, emotional, and looks awesome on display. This one's hard to find in stock, so if you see one, grab it. At number 4, we are still sticking with Brickheads, and this time with Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader from Star Wars. The set has 260 pieces and retails for 20 US dollars. This offers excellent part usage to capture the iconic two characters. Right now, it's the third most owned Brickhead Star Wars set of all time and is also out of stock in many regions. For any Star Wars or Brickheads collector, this one's must have before it retires. Fifth, we have the exotic parrot from the Creator 3-in-1 lineup. The set comes with 253 pieces and is priced at 20 US dollars. The main parrot model looks fantastic with posable wings, legs, and neck, and the bright colors really stand out on display. This also is a 3-in-1 set, which means you can rebuild it into a tropical fish or a frog, both of which are just as colorful and as vibrant as the first one. The set is perfect for kids and encourages creative play and rebuilding skills, and this one's a solid choice in the creator animal lineup. And last but not the least, finally for Minecraft fans, we have the Fox Lodge. This set comes with 193 pieces and two minifigures, out of which one is exclusive to this set. The set is simple, it looks great and vibrant, and it's a wonderful entry point for young builders and new Minecraft fans. It has got some fun building techniques as well. The set currently ranks number 1 out of over 100 minifig scale Minecraft Lego sets. That says a lot about its popularity and value. So these are my top 6 Lego picks in the 20 to $25 price range that are retiring in 2025. Do let me know in the comments which one's your favorite and are you planning to grab any of these before they are gone. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.